I don't know where my keys are. And this battery is dead in this key fob. Oh, please work so I don't have to hunt for my other keys. Please start. Please start. Not starting. Let's try it again. Success. Oh, but no gas. Yogi Clan, good morning. What is up, y'all? I am coming to you today live action. We're going to do a vlog. Yes, I want to talk about the TV, cable TV. I mean, really, do you even watch cable TV anymore? I don't know. Let's talk about it. If you're new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel, and ask you to surf around, check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, mash that thumbs up, and do a favor, give a brother some love. Hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog about cable TV, because honestly, I don't watch cable TV anymore. I really don't. You know, MTV used to be music. I don't know what it is now. I haven't watched it in probably 2 decades since they stopped playing music. I mean, come on. The title of your show is Music TV. Why do you not play music? I don't get it. So, you know, music TV, not that I was really into that anyways, but you know what I was into? I was into some Discovery Channel and some History Channel. And some Sci-Fi Channel. Sci-Fi is about the only channel that's still sci-fi. Cheesy, B-rated, like, you know, Sharkaconda, a combination of a shark and an anaconda put together. You know, it's stuff like that. Sharknado, cheesy stuff like that. I mean, that's about the only channel I like. And the current subscription that I have with Spectrum, I don't think even has. You have to pay extra for the Sci-Fi Channel. So I can't, you know, I have like a basic subscription for my kids to Spectrum, and there's nothing good on it. I mean, I'm surprised we even get the Hallmark. Now, I have gotten into some Hallmark Christmas movies this year. I will admit, dude, Full Grandpa has, I think, effectively set in. I've watched some Hallmark movies. But what has happened to good TV, you know? The good like sitcom done live TV shows, like, what was it, the Carol Burnett show that had Tim Conway on it, you know, McHale's Navy, Hogan's Heroes, Gilligan's Island, MASH, Taxi. I don't know about Taxi, but Taxi had its own cult following. You know, the original Saturday Night Lives. I mean, TV's just garbage anymore. So that said, I've been watching a lot of YouTube here lately. Just a lot of YouTube. And I found a channel. Yes, Les Stroud. You know, that was Survivor Man. That was a good show there for a while. But like Discovery and History Channel, they just play like hunting, fishing for crabs and hunting crap in Alaska. Boring. What happened to, like, you know, the old World War II shows? History Channel, show me some history. But there is one show on YouTube that in the past couple days caught my eye. And it's because it's a throwback of when I used to watch TV. Turtle Man has a YouTube channel. What? I love it. Turtle Man has a YouTube channel. So I have been binge watching me some Turtle Man shows. And I don't know if you knew this little fact or not, but it's like right hand man Ernie, you know, Banjo Man Ernie, he died last year. And Turtle Man did a memory thing for him. I think his name was Ernie. Maybe Turtle Man's name's Ernie. His right hand man, Banjo, what was his name? Banjo somebody. Alright, now that we're gassed up and back on the road, so Turtle Man has got some shows out there. And he's got some uploads that are within the past week. So he's putting out up-to-date content. So yeah, a fellow like me who does not really dig much that's on TV anymore, seeing Turtle Man on YouTube, I'm like, heck yeah, Turtle Man, yeah. Live action. Oh, sorry, it's just the nerd in me coming out. I just think it's awesome. I have watched a few of Les Stroud's stuff on YouTube. It's okay. Turtle Man is right now in a series. He's hunting for Bigfoot in Kentucky. And he did a plaster mold cast of a footprint. And he did 2 other plaster mold casts, but they didn't set up well and didn't, yeah. Like he said, man, hey, this is my first time doing this. But he did get one really good plaster cast out of there. I was actually impressed. I was like, oh, Turtle Man. Yeah, good job on that. So I've been enjoying watching that. I would highly suggest check out Turtle Man he's on YouTube now. I feel like, you know, I'm famous because somebody famous is doing the same thing I'm doing. Kind of funny. Hear that? Or he stooped down so low to us common folk. But what else on TV? I just don't watch it anymore. The cartoons, the kids' cartoons nowadays are horrible. I'm sure there are some that are okay, but most of them are horrible. Gone are the days of Scooby-Doo. I mean, Scooby-Doo, they still play reruns of that on there, I'm sure. You know, Bugs Bunny, Tom and Jerry. I remember growing up watching like the Three Stooges. That was a great show too. That was just, I don't know. It was the Three Stooges. You know, they just don't have shows like that on anymore. They just don't. And it's sad. And you know, for $90 a month that I pay for like a really, I don't even have sci-fi version of cable. So Mama and I were out last night. We were talking about different options. I think Fire Stick was one, and something else. I don't know. But I'm, you know, and the home phone. I have not gotten a phone call for me on the home phone. I don't know if really ever. The 15 years we've been in there, in that house, because anyone who wants to call me just calls me on my cell phone. I don't use the home phone. Why do I? The only reason why I have a home phone is so if something goes wrong, the kids can call me. Although I could probably just get a $50 burner type phone, make sure it stays charged, so when Mom and I go out on date night, if the kids need me. Yeah, and honestly, with a couple of kids home from college right now, there's at least 2 or 3 cell phones in our house. So effectively, I really could get rid of the home phone. That'd save another $40 or $50. That's like $150 between the two. Now the only thing I have left is internet that's still connected. Spectrum has our TV, our phone, and our internet. So I could keep the internet and drop the cable and the phone, because really, heck, my kids, they watch Netflix and they watch YouTube. And that's where they get, and you know, we got Amazon Prime Video too. Between those 3, who really needs cable anymore? It's kind of gone the way of the compact disc. Man. So, I hooked up with my buddy Scooter the other day. We went for a ride somewhere. And he opens up his trunk, his tour pack, you know. And on the left-hand side, there's this whole row of bright colors. I'm like, what is all that? He goes, all my CDs. I'm like, holy crap. I hear ya. Because he has a 2008, 2009 Ultra. And, you know, it's got a CD player. I don't know if it has an auxiliary plug, but I don't know if... Yeah, Keith does play music on his phone. I don't know. Can't explain it. But he had a whole trunk full of CDs. I'm like, that's the most CDs I've seen together since, like, you know, going to like the flea market or something. CDs have gone the way of the past. Now you got little thumb drives, you know? Put all your information from computers on. You don't need to download it to a CD. The cable TV. Yep. It's you know, the newspaper. Who reads the newspaper anymore? I'm sure there are some people who still get a daily newspaper brought to you by a newspaper person. But the newspaper, for most intensive purposes, is dead also. Wow. Technology killing off industries. All replaced by something you can carry in your pocket. Alright, Yogi Clan, I think I've ranted on enough today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, reminiscing about days gone by. I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Love you guys. Peace.